All right. Check that out. All right, seeing how I love that mop feature. See how it comes out? All right, dead touch a little bit of the cord, but overall seems to be going around it. Oh, let's see how it does over there. It is getting much closer than the V50. Not running over it like the P10 Ultra, but seems to get really up close to the cord and then goes away. Alright, the Z60 seems to have the closest radius to the cords of all three machines. Oh, check that out. Look how awesome that is. That is the roller going. I love watching that. And it's just going to skirt around. Oh, nope, was not tricked by the cord and is going the other way. Awesome job, Z60.